Calling all 90s kids, we're dropping a nostalgia bomb with our new Strawberry Guava fragrance oil. Hey there, I'm Julia with CandleScience, here to tell you about this juicy, mouth-watering fragrance. All it takes is one whiff of Strawberry Guava to take you back to those carefree days spent cruising the mall and swapping lip balms with your friends. This fruity fusion of strawberry and guava top notes blend with passion fruit and mango in the middle for a sweet tropical blast. Vanilla, peach, and sugar in the base lend an extra burst of lip-smacking goodness to this summery scent. With a fragrance as lively as Strawberry Guava, you need a presentation to match. Try a red dye block for color and a medium straight-sided jar topped with a gold or silver lid, and you'll have an eye-catching candle no one will be able to resist. And if you're thinking of branching out into body care products, Strawberry Guava is juicy, fruity perfection in bath bombs and sugar scrubs. Don't forget to add a custom label from Avery We Print to your handmade goodies for that finishing touch. So give Strawberry Guava a try, and be sure to share your thoughts by leaving a review below.